back to my channel and welcome back to a what's for dinner video. So this one is just a little bit different. We were actually on vacation this week and I thought it would be fun just to share everything we eat throughout the week on vacation. So we are in a camper, if you cannot tell. We like to cook most of our meals. We're at the beach and we just think it is easier to have fun all day, come back to the camper and have most of our meals here instead of trying to get ready and fight the crowds and everything like that. So I thought I would just share some of those ideas. Maybe you can use them at home or when you go on vacation. But all of these meals are super easy. None of them are super gourmet or detailed or anything like that. Just something quick to get on the table for supper while we're on vacation. So if you're interested in seeing some quick and easy, budget-friendly recipes, stay tuned. It is this one's birthday dinner today. She is 11, so I'm sure she would love happy birthday in the comments. But anyway, you want to tell them what you requested for your birthday dinner tonight?
Homemade mac and cheese, rolls, and homemade cooked barbecue.
Barbecue, yes. So Darren actually smoked up this barbecue a couple weeks ago when she decided this is what she wanted for her birthday dinner. So all we did, we smoked it up a couple weekends. We had it for dinner one night. Of course it made a ton, so this is just half of what was left. I froze it, thawed it a couple days ago, and then I just heated it up in our toaster oven and it did perfect. This is my Stovetop Mac and Cheese, and I did not share the recipe today because I've shared it so many times that I will type it out. See, it's so creamy, it's really easy to throw together, just as easy as box, and it's delicious. So here is our dinner tonight. We have the barbecue with sauce, mac and cheese, rolls for the birthday girl's request. This is our simple little dinner. Alright y'all, so I should have showed this last night, but this is what McKenna requested for her birthday treat. If you have a duck donuts near you or go anywhere that has one, you definitely need to try it. They are donuts of all different flavors, made to order. They are so good. As you can see, we only have a few left. But this is kind of probably our breakfast this morning. We're having some coffee and things like that. The kids are ready to go to the water park. Anyway, these are the maple bacon and they are absolutely delicious. We had most maple bacon, and then we have a s'mores one that has been taken a bite of. My favorite donut is chocolate with sprinkles, so they also got that one for me, and this one is something raspberry. But they have all different concoctions. So anyway, this is our breakfast this morning. Alright, I'm in the camper making lunches. Gonna take them back out to the pool. We have one sandwich. It's just basic stuff. I'm not gonna show lunches every day, but one thing we like to do are wraps. So I got some chicken cooking in the air fryer. McKenna likes to eat hers with sour cream, and we love the blackened chicken tenders. Y'all know this, with the honey barbecue ranch, a little cheese. You can add a little lettuce. It's so good, and I think it's the perfect little summer pool beach lunch. So I'm gonna get all these made up and head out back to the pool. Alright, so it's getting to be dinner time, and tonight we're gonna try these Great Value seasoned sirloin Philly steak. They are 4 servings in a pack. I got 2 because I just didn't know how much that would actually make. And I've never tried these before, but I saw Kristen Stepp talk about them. And I think she maybe had the shaved ribeye, but I could not find that anywhere. So I thought we would give these a try. We're going to do these up on the Blackstone, and we're obviously going to make some Philly cheesesteaks. But we're going to make ours into little sliders. So on the side of our Philly sliders, we're going to do these Arby's curly fries in the air fryer. So that's what they look like when you open them up. Just wanted to show y'all. But apparently they're thinly sliced and they'll just break right up when we throw them on the grill. And we're gonna use the Sweet Hawaiian little slider rolls. It's gonna be so good. So tonight for dinner, we got the Philly cheesesteak sliders. and Arby's curly fries. Another super easy vacation dinner. So really quick, I thought I would include my review of the frozen Philly cheesesteaks from the Great Value brand. We really loved these, and I can see us repurchasing these, especially for camping. It just made it so much easier than having to, you know, thinly slice your own ribeye or sirloin or whatever you want to do. Really, really good. I thought this brand, the Great Value brand, was actually better than some of the other, like the Steakums or anything like that. They're already pre-seasoned, but we did add some garlic salt and I think just some salt and pepper. And the 2 boxes that we made, we ended up cooking 2 boxes. That was way more than enough. We had so many leftovers, so I think next time 1 box will be enough if it's just for us. And the only thing I would change is Darren said that he definitely prefers like a hoagie roll instead of the Hawaiian sliders. I like the Hawaiian sliders, but you know, it's not really a true Philly cheesesteak, I don't guess. But anyway, just to let y'all know, they were really good and we will definitely be repurchasing those. Hey y'all, so I'm about to start on our day 3 dinner and I'm going to show you what I'm making. Tonight we are doing a slow cooker meal. As you guys probably already know, I love bringing my slow cooker. Actually, we just have an old one we leave in the camper now. Makes it so easy to throw something in, go do whatever you want to do, and then come back and dinner's pretty much done. So let me show you the easy recipe we're going to have tonight. This is probably the easiest recipe, but it's just good and everyone likes it. So already in my slow cooker I have some chicken breast. We're going to add a packet of taco seasoning and a little bit of our favorite salsa, it's the Great Value cantina style. And in a little bit we're going to have some really good chicken tacos. I'm not measuring it, I'm just putting a little bit in there. You can always add more. I'm just using a measuring cup so that chicken juice doesn't splash back up on my jar. Alright, and that's it. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cook it on low probably for about 4 or 5 hours and it'll be done. Alright, chicken is done. I'm getting ready to shred that up. Alright, chicken is shredded up. Alright, so we made up our chicken tacos. We got some tortillas, lettuce, sour cream. So that's our easy little dinner for tonight. Good morning. So we're about to cook an easy breakfast this morning. We're trying to get out on the beach early this morning. So we're gonna do some of the Sister Schubert's cinnamon rolls. We already love these, the kids especially. And these are so easy because they're already in a pan. We're gonna of course do them in the toaster oven outside. And then I always see Fallon and Moss family buying these little sausage patties. So I thought this would be the perfect thing to try while camping as well because they're already fully cooked, obviously pattied out sausage patties. We're going to throw them on the Blackstone and we're going to see how they turn out. So I didn't get a final video of just our cinnamon rolls and sausage patties, but that's pretty much self-explanatory. I did think I would go ahead and leave a review on the sausage patties. We enjoyed them. Darren really liked them, and we actually didn't cook the whole bag that day. I had some at home, and I cooked those up in the air fryer, and they did really well in the air fryer as well. But I will say I definitely prefer, you know, just fresh sausage patties, like you buy the roll and patty them out yourself. But if you're in a time crunch or, you know, maybe you're camping yourself or on vacation, I do think they're good. And you could even, you know, make sandwiches with these or even crumble them up in sausage gravy if you didn't want to, you know, brown up sausage in a pan. So they're definitely versatile, but I still prefer the fresh tube of sausage. Alright, today for lunch we're about to head out to the beach. The kids are having some little sliders on our leftover Hawaiian little slider rolls, so just turkey and cheese sliders for something different to switch it up a little bit. Alright, turkey and cheese sliders on Hawaiian rolls, super basic but good. Alright, so next, this is probably my favorite little beach lunch. So I love Triscuit crackers, these kind, and Darren loves, wheat thins. So I have 12 crackers each. I'm gonna get 6 pepperonis, and then we buy the already sliced Great Value Colby and Monterey Jack. and basically make 6 little sandwiches with the Monterey Jack and pepperoni and put it in the cooler, and they're just cold little crackers, and they're just the perfect little beach snack if you ask me. So this is what Darren and I are going to have for lunch today. And of course, I haven't showed y'all, we have plenty of veggies and fruit and stuff like that to snack on. I'm going to slice up some bell peppers, put those in the cooler. We got some apples back there, all that good stuff. And for dinner that night, we did smash burgers. We pretty much always do these on camping trips. They're just so easy and so delicious, fried up on that Blackstone. So easy and so good. Alright, again, super basic dinner, but smash burgers with grilled onions on the Blackstone, or what's for dinner tonight. The next night for dinner, we actually got ready and headed down to Murrells Inlet with some friends for dinner. We ate at Creek Rats, and I have to say we really enjoyed it. The atmosphere was really good, very kind of casual, laid back, right there on the Marsh Walk. And if you're not familiar with that, there's probably, I don't know, 10 or 15 restaurants all in a row right there on the water. You can literally walk on this little boardwalk from each one. So we went down there and put our name on the list. We went early at like 4:30. It was already packed. We put our name on the list, and then whichever one called us first, that's where we went. We ended up at Creek Rats, and like I said, it was so good. We got calamari and fried pickles for appetizers, and then Darren and I split the fish tacos and the flounder basket. Both were good, and I have to say, after trying a few different restaurants down here at Murrells Inlet, I feel like Creek Rats is probably my favorite we've tried so far. Like I said, the casual atmosphere, all of the restaurants have beautiful views, but I feel like this one is the most reasonably priced that we've been to so far. A lot of these down here, if you ask me, are a little bit overpriced, and they don't have as many options for kids. We had a lot of kids with us, and they had lots of options for them. Everybody was satisfied, and we really enjoyed it. So if you're down that way, if you come down to the Myrtle Beach area, definitely recommend going down to Murrells Inlet, and Creek Rats is a good restaurant in our opinion. So most of the week we just had kind of easy grab and go things for breakfast so we could get out to the pool or the beach, but we did cook breakfast again. We just made some French toast. I love using the swirl bread, and it cooks up wonderfully on the Blackstone. So this morning we just had some bacon and some French toast, and here it is all piled up. Another big tip that I have for y'all, and something that we like to do, is cook a lot ahead of time before we're on vacation. So I had already cooked up some spaghetti sauce. I froze it, thawed it the day before that we thought we wanted it, and obviously we're just having some spaghetti tonight. Then we're having some of these little great value garlic twists, whatever they are. They're so good and very cheap. We had a salad, spaghetti, and garlic toast this night for dinner, and it was our last night, and it hit the spot. Just something kind of homey and comforting after a long week at the beach. Alright y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that this video brought you some meal ideas and inspiration. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see y'all real soon in my next video.
Bye guys!
Bye y'all!